Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome once again to this online class. In today's class, we want to continue with sod, and we are going to look at problems involving sods. The first example says, in the diagram below, angle ABC equals to 30 degree. This is it. Angle BCD equals to 45 degree. This is angle BCD. And side DC equals to 12 centimeter. So calculate BC. This is BC. And also calculate side AB. This is side AB. Give the answers in sod form. So this simply means that we should solve this question in sod form and also leave your final answer in sod form. So let's get started. Now the first thing to do, because we are asked to find BC and this is BC. So as you can see, this diagram is a combination of two triangles. So I can just separate the triangles for easier solving. So I'm going to do that by doing this. So I'm going to separate it now. So I'm going to have B here, D here. I'm going to have C. Then this angle is 45 degree. Then we have 12 centimeter here. Now, the first thing we have to find this side BC. Now we are going to make use of SOHCAHTOA. Using SOHCAHTOA. So that is using trigonometric ratio. Now let's decide, are we to use SO, CA or TOA? Now this is angle theta now. Our angle theta has been given as what? 45 degree. So this is going to be the opposite. The longest side is the what? Hypotenuse. While the remaining side that lies beside the angle 90 degree is the what? Adjacent. So the side facing angle theta, which is 45 degree, is the opposite now. So now what are we going to use? If I'm to use SO, that means I'm going to say sine 45 degree equals to opposite over hypotenuse. But don't forget, you want to solve BC first. So that means I need to consider adjacent. So SOHCAHTOA. Because I'm going to find, we are asked to find BC, which is the adjacent. I need adjacent in whatever I want to use. So it's only CA and TOA that has adjacent. Now, another thing is that I also need one side. So apart from the adjacent, which is the BC, I also need a side given. And when you look at opposite, it's not given. Hypotenuse is given already as 12 centimeter. So that means I can use CA. So by using CA, I will be able to get BC. So let's do that. So using CA, which is cos theta equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. And so the cos theta is given as cos 45 degree equals to adjacent, which is the BC. Don't forget, adjacent is BC, all over hypotenuse, which is 12. Now, cos 45 in sod form is known as 1 all over root 2 equals to BC over 12. Alright, so let's cross multiply. So we have BC root 2, side BC root 2 equals to 12 times 1, 12. Now, we are going to divide both sides by root 2. So BC equals to 12 all over root 2. Now, can we leave our answer like this? No. The reason is that the denominator is irrational. So it's in sod. So we have to rationalize it. So to rationalize, we are going to say 12 all over BC equals to 12 all over root 2 times root 2 all over root 2. And we are going to have 12 times root 2, 12 root 2 all over root 2 times root 2, 2. Now, 2 here 1, 2 here 6. So our answer is 6 root 2. Don't forget to put your measurement, which is centimeter. So the final answer is 6 root 2 centimeter. So our BC, the side BC is 6 root 2 centimeter. So we are left to find AB, and this is AB. So let's do that also.